In a quiet forest, there was an ashram where a wise sage named Sage Dev lived. Sage Dev was famous for his knowledge, kindness, and honesty. Many students came from faraway places to learn from him. They stayed in the ashram, studied under Sage Dev, and learned not only books, but also good habits, respect, and how to live a good life. Among these students was a young man named Arun. Arun was young, but he had a bad habit. He was very lazy. He often delayed his work. If something needed to be done today, he would say, "Maybe tomorrow." If it needed to be done in the morning, he would say, "Perhaps after rest." Sage Dev saw this in Arun and worried. He wanted Arun to understand how important time is before Arun left the ashram. One evening at sunset, Sage Dev called Arun to his room. He took out a glowing stone and said to him, "Arun, this is no ordinary stone. It is a philosopher's stone. Any iron thing this stone touches will become gold. I very much like you and the effort you might make. So I give you this stone for 2 days. I will go to a neighboring village to visit a friend. After 2 days, when I return, I will ask for the stone back. Before then, you may make as much gold as you want." Arun's heart filled with joy. He thought, "With this stone, I will make so much gold that I will never have to work again. I will live happily." But he also saw he had 2 whole days. So he made a plan. "I will rest today, and tomorrow I will work hard." And so, day 1 passed with rest. Arun slept, read, relaxed, not much else. When day 2 came, Arun woke up and said, "Today I must buy a lot of iron from the market. I will touch each piece with the philosopher's stone and make gold." But first, he ate a big breakfast. The food was delicious, and after eating, he felt sleepy. He thought, "I still have a few hours before sunset. I will rest now and work later." He lay down for some sleep. Then he slept deeply. When he woke up, he saw the sun had set. 2 full days were over. Sage Dev returned. He stood before Arun and said gently, "Arun, the time is up. 2 days ended with the sunset. Please return the stone." Arun was silent. Shame and sorrow filled his heart. He realized that because of his laziness, he lost the golden chance. He had wasted the stone's power and all that time. He deeply regretted it. He looked at Sage Dev and said, "Teacher, I see now that time is very precious. I promise I will never be lazy again. I promise to use time well every day." From that day onward, Arun changed. He woke up early, studied regularly, and did his tasks without delay. He understood that time once lost can never come back. Over time, Arun became a good student, respected by others, and his life improved because he learned the lesson of time. Moral: time is precious. Don't delay your work. Don't waste chances. Use each day well. Once time passes, you can't get it back.